What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again at ClassDojo, and I'm going to be teaching you how to track and assign activities and homeworks to your students on this platform. So make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So basically guys, there is a way to assign an activity to a group or individual students. If you're using Android, basically teachers can only assign activities to students using ClassDojo website. Same for the iOS users. So you need to use the website, so web form. Basically teachers can use activities to assign to activity to a group or students or an individual student in the class. You need to log into your account and open your class. Select the portfolios tab under the class name and just simply tap create activity. Enter the activity name, instructions, and select how you want students to respond to activity. As you can see, we are having text, video, photo, drawing, or worksheet. So basically quick instructions and the title of the project. So to select the students you would like to assign to activity, select the drop down arrow beside whole class assigned in the bottom left corner of the window and click on each student name that you would like the activity to be assigned to, and then just click OK. Click assign to students to send the assignment, and student will be able to access the activity and respond by following the instructions basically you gave them. And how to track it? Well, basically if you have a deadline or not, you will be able to see which students have responded to the activity and which not, and you can just easily go through their respective works. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.